everyone. First of all, I wanted to thank everyone who voted in yesterday's poll, and I wanted to let you know it actually ended up in a tie at the time it began production. The winners were the Air Jamaica 727-2J0 and a Braniff International BAC-11. So I did some research and found there were a lot more existing photos of the Air Jamaica 727 than there were of any Braniff BAC-11s, especially in Braniff colors. Now on with the show. Today's aircraft, as stated before, is the 1/400 scale Gemini Jets Air Jamaica Boeing 727-2J0 Advanced. This jet is in Air Jamaica's very colorful 1990s colors and named Spirit of Jamaica. The aircraft was powered by 3 Pratt Whitney JT8D low bypass turbofans, with each engine able to generate up to 15,000 pounds force or 67 kilonewtons. Each aircraft has a passenger capacity of up to 155 passengers, depending on the class arrangement and layout. This aircraft has a max cruise speed of 515 knots or 953 kilometers an hour, with a range of about 2,500 nautical miles or just under 4,700 kilometers. As a note for collectors, one of the registrations used by this aircraft was made into a 1/400 scale Aero Classics Pan Am 727. However, this is an entirely different aircraft with the original iteration of the Pan Am name. Originally, this 727-2J0 was delivered to Air Jamaica on October 1st, 1975, with the registration of 6Y-JMB, with the Air Jamaica yellow and orange livery that their aircraft wore in the 1970s and 1980s. During the 2+ decades of service with Air Jamaica, the aircraft would receive a Cayman Island registration of VR-CMB in 1985, and then return to having a Jamaican registry of 6Y-JMN in 1987. Aircraft would receive its livery as seen on the model sometime in early 1995. 1999 would see the aircraft go to the United States for continued service in the Caribbean part of the world with the 3rd iteration of the Pan American World Airways name. The aircraft received the Billboard Pan Am livery and would be re-registered once again as November 362PA. It would serve this iteration of Pan Am until its demise in 2004, and the aircraft would be scrapped in 2005 in Portsmouth, New Hampshire, United States. Please let your friends and family who collect know about our channel and spread the word. And as always, thank you and like and subscribe. If you want to keep up with our video feed, please hit that black subscribe button below your screen. Right now, over 80% of our viewers are not subscribers. So if you don't want to miss one of these videos, please subscribe. If you want to watch other videos, please select one of the links shown here. Thank you and good day.